फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 7th इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक हनीकॉम्ब का लेसन 8 जिसका नाम है फायर फ्रेंड एंड फोए। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको पोएम 7th डैड एंड द कैट एंड द ट्री करवाई थी। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर उसे देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले पाठ की समरी करेंगे। In this chapter, we will learn about fire, its causes, uses and threats. Fire is the result of a chemical reaction. There are three things which are required to make fire: oxygen, a fuel that contains carbon and hydrogen, and some heat. Fuel exists in many forms like cooking gas, wood, coal, petrol, etc. The air naturally carries oxygen. However, oxygen and fuel cannot make fire by themselves. Heat is also important for it to start. The temperature at which a fuel begins to burn is called the flash point of that fuel. In our modern age, we use fire as many purposes. We cook for food using fire. We keep our houses warm during winters. In our modern age, we use fire as many purposes. We cook for food using fire. We keep our houses warm during winters, and we also can fire for producing electricity. We use fire for all such things in a controlled way according to our needs. Thus, fire serves as a servant. However, sometimes it can become bad master. Every year, many disasters take place due to fire. It may burn houses, factories, and vast forest areas. Just like three things are needed to start a fire, there are three main ways to put out a fire. These are removal of fuel, cutting off the oxygen supply, and bringing the temperature down. Spraying water is a common way of extinguishing fire, but it is not a good way of putting out an oil fire or an electric fire. Oil is lighter than water, as a result of which it floats on water. In case of an electrical fire, the person putting water can get an electric shock, proving fatal to him. Thus, the best way to control an electric or oil fire is carbon dioxide extinguishers. In earlier times, when there were no firemen, people used to form a human chain to put out the fire. They passed buckets of water from a nearby pond to the place of fire. Now there are laws about building constructions which ensure that space is left between buildings to reduce the fire risk. There are fire bridges in every town. Firemen with their special equipment are capable of putting out fires. अब करते हैं हम इसके टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द फ्लैश पॉइंट ऑफ अ फ्यूल? इसका आंसर है एवरी फ्यूल कैचेस फायर एट अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर. दिस टेम्परेचर इज कॉल्ड द फ्लैश पॉइंट ऑफ अ फ्यूल. क्वेश्चन 2, फर्स्ट, व्हाट आर सम कॉमन यूजेस ऑफ फायर? सेकंड, इट इन व्हाट सेंस इज इट अ बैड मास्टर? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, fire is used in cooking to keep our homes warm during winter. Fire is also used to produce electricity. Second, if fire goes out of control, it can cause damage to our life, house and property. It is bad master in this sense. Match items in column A with those in column B. First, fuel. Second, oxygen. Third, heat. lighted matchstick, air, coal, burning coal, wood, smoldering paper. इसका आंसर है फ्यूल, कोल, बर्निंग कोल, वुड, स्मोल्डरिंग पेपर, कुकिंग गैस. सेकंड ऑक्सीजन, एयर. थर्ड हीट, लाइटेड मैचस्टिक, बर्निंग कोल. Question 4. What are the three main ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out? इसका आंसर है fire can be put out by taking away the fuel, stopping the supply of oxygen, or by lowering down the temperature around the fuel so that the fuel is not able to attain its flash point. Question 5. A, B. A. First, to burn a paper or a piece of wood. Second, small fires can be put out. It absorbs heat from the burning material and lowers the temperature, reduce the risk of fire. Third, when water is spread on fire with a damp blanket. Fourth, a carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing. We heat it before it catches fire. Space left between buildings to put out an electric fire. इसका आंसर देखते हैं. First, to burn a paper or a piece of wood, we heat it before it catches fire. Second, small fires can be put out with a damp blanket. Third, when water is spread on fire, it absorbs heat from the burning material and lowers the temperature. Fourth, a carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing to put out an electrical fire. Fifth, space left between buildings reduced risk of fire. Question 1. Mark the correct answer in each of the following. First, early Mart was frightened of option A, lightning and volcanoes. B, the damage caused by them. C, fire. Second, A, fire is energy. B, fire is heat and light. C, fire is the result of chemical reaction. इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट C, fire. Second C, fire is the result of a chemical equation. Question 2. From the boxes given below, choose the one with the correct order of the following sentences. First, that is fire. Second, a chemical reaction takes place. Third, energy in the form of heat and light is released. Fourth, oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. First, second, third, fourth, second, third, first, fourth, third, third, second, first, fourth, second, first, third. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन फोर्थ, सेकंड, थर्ड, फर्स्ट. अब ये हमारे आगे की एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन हैं. आप इनको चाहें तो कर सकते हैं. अब हम करते हैं इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. व्हाट इज द थर्ड वे ऑफ पुटिंग आउट अ फायर? ऑप्शन ए, स्टॉप द सप्लाई ऑफ फ्यूल. ऑप्शन बी, स्प्रे ऑफ वाटर. ऑप्शन सी, टू रिमूव द हीट. ऑप्शन डी, नन ऑफ दीज. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, टू रिमूव द हीट. Question 2. About what did early man not know? Option A, what fire was. Option B, what air was. Option C, what water was. Option D, what tree was. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A, what fire was. Question 3. What happens when the temperature is brought down below flash point? Option A, the fuel stop burning. Option B, the fuel stop natural action. Option C, the fuel stop chemical reacting. Option D, all of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, द फ्यूल स्टॉप बर्निंग. क्वेश्चन 4. व्हाट मेड द अर्ली मैन फ्राइटेंड? ऑप्शन ए, द साइट ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल. ऑप्शन बी, द साइट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. ऑप्शन सी, द साइट ऑफ लाइटनिंग एंड वोल्केनोज. ऑप्शन डी, बोथ ए एंड बी. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, द साइट ऑफ लाइटनिंग एंड वोल्केनोज. क्वेश्चन 5. व्हाट इज फायर अ रिजल्ट ऑफ? Option A, chemical reaction. Option B, a natural reaction. Option C, a mechanical action. Option D, none of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A, chemical reaction. Question 6. What is the meaning of smoldering? Option A, burning. Option B, burning slowly. Option C, without flame. Option D, burning slowly without flame. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन D, burning slowly without flame. Question 7. What does a blanket of water do? Option A, it cuts the supply of oxygen. Option B, it cuts the supply of fire extinguisher. ऑप्शन सी बोथ ए एंड बी, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी बोथ ए एंड बी। क्वेश्चन 8, विच गैस इज मोस्ट हेल्पफुल इन बर्निंग? ऑप्शन ए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑप्शन बी ऑक्सीजन, ऑप्शन सी नाइट्रोजन, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी ऑक्सीजन। Question 9. What method is used to put out fire? Option A. Stop the supply of fuel. Option B. Prevent oxygen from reaching to the fuel. Option C. Remove the heat. Option D. All of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी all of these. Question 10. What is the best thing to put out an electricity fire? Option A. Oxygen extinguishers. Option B. A carbon dioxide extinguisher. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी a carbon dioxide extinguisher. Question 11. What happens when blow on burning candle? Option A. Its flames is put down. Option B. Its flame is put off. Option C. Its flame is put off out. Option D. Its flame is put above. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी its flame is put out. Question 12. Which things are needed to make fire? Option A. Fuel. Option B. Oxygen. Option C. Heat. Option D. All of these. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी all of these. तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको 8th पोयम मीडो सरप्राइज़ करवाऊँगी. तो आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.